Greeting, God beautiful people. Just a simple reminder to stay focused. God knows exactly what you need. So don't need to worry your pretty little head over anything this life throws at you. Don't worry yourself about what you're gonna wear, what you're gonna eat tomorrow. That's exactly what the Bible tells us. God got you. He knows what you need. He will give you exactly what you need. It may not seem like it at time, but that's exactly what He's gonna do. Stay focused. Don't worry about the mortgage is not yet paid because today is the 20th day of the month. God got you. So stay focused. Focus on God. Once you focus on God, everything else will simply come. The Bible said the first thing to do is to seek God, and everything else will come secondly. So you do not need to worry yourself. So many times we look at the big drama instead of worry about the little detail. Look into the little detail. Let me give an example of some little detail you should look at. Right this second, as I'm talking to you right now, there is a person laying down in a hospital bed, waiting for a nurse to come with a wet diaper, unable to move unless somebody come to do something for that particular person. But you dancing right now. Your legs are working perfectly. Your hands are working perfectly. So stay focused. You worry yourself over the fact you live in a 2-bedroom house. But guess what? There is a person out there right now that is sleeping in a bench at a bus stop. There is a person out there that's sleeping in a store corner. So stay focused. You worry yourself because you don't have the latest style of clothing. Some people right now unable to buy a t-shirt in a yard sale for $1. You worry yourself over not having the latest model of car, latest model of cell phone that just come out. Those are just things that here for a little while, the temporary thing. We want them, yes, we want them, but we don't need them. Stay focused in your God. That should be the priority. Most of the time, we feel stressed out. God got you. He had made provision for you before He bring you into this world. Just exactly the way before you have a child, you make sure you have everything ready before you go to the hospital to have this child. God had made plan for you before He bring you into this world. So stay focused. What are you worried about? Are you eating by yourself? You take a bath by yourself. That should count for something. You wake up this morning on your own. That should count for something. You have 3 children. All 3 of them was natural birth. That should count for something. You have not been in a hospital with your kids since the year start. That should count for something. Stay focused. God promised to give you peace, and you should use that. He promised He will give you peace. Not the way the world promised you peace. Millionaires don't have peace. For the simple fact, money cannot buy peace. That's something God promised to do for you. Why are you worrying yourself because you're saving your husband leftover from yesterday? You worry about that? Wow. Let me tell you, you shouldn't. There's a person right now, as you worry about eating leftover, who's eating in a trash can. You do not have a tank of oxygen anywhere. You're not in a wheelchair. So that, my friend, should count for something. Yes, sometimes life gets really hard. But if you stay focused, get your priorities straight, and always know God got you. Today, what you're looking at, soon it will not be there. If you're not going through the tribulation, and in order for you to testify, you actually need to be there. You cannot be a witness to something you never see. For you to be a witness to know what God can do, to go out there and let a person know how great your God is, you need to be a witness to what God can actually do. Don't worry yourself about the smallest little stuff. Stay focused. God love you. Much love from me to you. Busy